What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Rush helmets going live. Time stake it is 218. Sorry, I started doing something else. Gold Rush mini helmet random number 3. I already have the divisions in and the names. Has to be 4 or more. 11. We randomize both, throw them in the spreadsheet. Wherever you end up, that is who you get. 10 and 11. AFC North on top, NFC North on the bottom. IZFZJL is the code for the divisions. Let's do the names. Again, 4 more. Going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Number 8. Blake on top. Ralph on the bottom. NPQIWQ is the code for the names. And there you go. That is who you have. And we are done. Timestamp 156. Thanks, guys. Good luck.